Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today we are outside. It's a beautiful fall day here in Connecticut, and I figured we may not have that many more of these that I can be outside. It's so nice and warm. Well, it's warm for us here. So I figured let's take advantage of it and spend the day outside, and you can enjoy some of the foliage too. But my neighbor decided to start leaf blowing right now, so if it gets too noisy, we will go inside. So just bear with me. I'll try to keep that in mind, and if it gets closer, we'll head in. But anyway, I have my latest Nadine West bag to share with you. So it comes in this pink bag. You do have to send whatever you're not keeping back in this bag, so you have to be careful when you open it. So I did cut it open on the top. You pay $9.78 for shipping, but that does get credited to anything that you keep. My last couple of Nadine West bags have not been the best for clothing. I don't think I've kept any clothing from my Nadine West bags. I do think I kept a couple of pieces of jewelry, and that's about it. I will tell you, I took everything out, as you can tell, because this one's kind of flimsy. I took everything out, and I did go through some of it. I didn't try anything on, and it looks promising. So there might be a piece of clothing that I keep from this bag. So let's go through it. We'll start with the jewelry. So the first piece of jewelry is really, really pretty. So it's a necklace with a gold chain. And then here's the pendant. So I love the pendant. It's really pretty. It's turquoise. And I just love the style of it. I think it's so pretty. It does remind me more of like a summery necklace because of the color, but you can still wear other colors in fall. So yeah, I like it. I might keep this depending on the price. I'll go over prices after with my try-on because the sheet that the sheet's inside, I think, so I gotta go grab the sheet. And then the next one is, I think it's a couple, it's a couple sets of bracelets because they're falling out of the bag. So here's the first one. It's black with two little gold beads. And then this one is just like a black string, but it has an infinity, try to hold that, infinity symbol. And then here's another one with the black string, but it's got like a little gold pendant. And then the last one, this is like a heart. Oh, that's cute. Like a heart-shaped. So they're meant to be worn together. So I will put those on and show them to you. Let me show you the clothing. Hang on one second and put those aside. So the first piece of clothing is by Hippie Chick. I don't see a size on the tag. I'll look inside. Love the color of this. I'm hoping this one works. This is such a pretty fall color. Love the neckline. Look at the sleeves. It's got some bell sleeves. So this looks really promising. So I really hope this works out. This next thing, it's a scarf, I think. I could not find a tag. So I'll try it on with the gray shirt after, but it's an infinity scarf. It's a pretty teal color. But like I said before, I don't really wear scarves, and I think I told them that when I checked out. I do wear scarves, but not like these infinity style scarves. I like the ones that you can kind of just drape over, so they're easy on, easy off for me. But pretty color. Not sure the price. Like I said, I'll go over prices after. And then this is also by Hippie Chick USA. I don't see a size on this one either. Scoop neckline, gray, twist front. Looks like it's long sleeved. So just a good casual shirt. And then lastly, these are by Show. I think they're an extra large. And they are like a workout pant. Pretty colors, really bright colors, fun colors. And then it looks like it's got a pocket for your phone. There's one on each side. And then the bottom has like the mesh detail. So these would be good for like walking and things like that, or kind of lounging around. So we'll see how they fit. All right, let's start trying things on. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the first top. So this is by Hippie Chick, and they're calling this top amber, and the color is wine. It's $26.99. I could not find a size on the tag anywhere. It is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. I really like this top, but let me tell you one thing I don't care for. I don't know what's going on here. I know I probably need to size up if they have it, because like it's a little snug here, But I also think that this stitching is kind of weird. I don't know, can you see kind of how that creates a little, almost like it folds over, but then it like gaps over here. It's not open because you can't see anything. I don't know what that's about. So I don't know even if sizing up, that stitch is still gonna be there. So yeah, I don't know. Have you received this before? If anyone gets Nadine West and has gotten one of these tops, let me know, because that's just odd to me. I love the bell sleeves. I think it's so pretty. They're more of a 3/4 length sleeve, which is nice. I like that. The length is great. I just don't know maybe I could fix this. If you think I can fix this, let me know. The price isn't bad. This would be a good work blouse, and I love the color. Here's the back. So it's a little bit longer in the back, which I like. Yeah, I love it. I'm gonna need your help. Is this something that can be fixed? And how? And I don't think sizing up would fix that. I don't know, but let me know. All right, I'm going to change and I will be right back. Okay, so let me show you two things. Let's start with the necklace. So the necklace, they're calling this the Chastine necklace in gold green, $24.99, a little bit pricey for Nadine West for their jewelry. But I just put it on with the gray top that they sent me. So yeah, I like it. I like the length of it. I don't own any, oops, I just lost the paper. I don't own anything like this. It's simple, but nice. Let me know what you think. Let me go grab the paper and we'll talk about the top. So 1 second. Okay, so this is another hippie chick top. And this is they're calling this the Nathy top in gray, $23.49. So not bad. I like the rounded neckline, and I do like the tie front here. I'm calling it tie front, it's a twist front. I do like that. It's a very casual top. Oh, 95% rayon, 5% spandex. Again, I could not find a tag for this, for the size. It wasn't on the back tag and it wasn't on the side care tag either, so I'm sorry, I can't tell you sizes for some of these items. They just don't have them. So I do like the twist front. It's cute. It's very casual. Here's the back. Yeah, I mean, this is a maybe. I like it, but you know what? I'm finding a lot of my casual tops at like Walmart and Target now, and I'm spending a little bit less, so yeah, I don't know, but I might keep it. It's not bad. I like it. All right, oh, I forgot to put on the pants. Let me try on the capri pants for you. That's the last thing I have to show you, so hang on. Let me do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here are the bottoms. These are the show pants. They are the mesh arrow capri, multicolor, $24.99. So they're cute. They do have a pocket here on each side, and the tag that came on the pants says for your phone. So I'm assuming, you know, you could stick your phone, it would fit right in here. It does have the mesh detail, and that's on both bottoms of each of the sides. So they're cute. Yeah, I just don't know how much I'd wear them, so I think I'm gonna send these back, but let me know what you think. They're very comfortable. So again, I couldn't find a size on these either. I don't know, sometimes I struggle with Nadine West clothing finding size. I thought they put them on the invoice, but they're not. Let's come back, I'll do a quick recap and talk about what I'm keeping and what I'm sending back. Okay, so let me show you the Flora bracelets on before we do a recap. So here's what they look like on. I know I showed you individually, but oops, here we go. It took me forever to get these on because like I showed you before, they're all individual bracelets. The only one that was easy, clearly, was the black with the gold because it's a stretch elastic one and the rest have clasps. They're pretty, but they're just not my style and I wouldn't pull for them. Not a bad price either. So the scarf, I didn't tell you the price of the scarf. They're calling this the Kathy scarf. I don't see a brand to this on the tag, and it's $13.99, so not bad. So if you like this scarf, lightweight, pretty color, just not for me. Like I said, I don't really care for infinity scarves because I like the easy on, easy off type of thing, you know? So anyway, this is going back, so you might want to request it if you like it. I'm on the fence about a couple things, so I know what I'm sending back. I'm going to send back these two items. So I'm going to send back the pants and then this top. It was cute, but I can find something, and I have something that's very similar, so I don't feel the need to purchase another one for $23.49 because I won't pull for it enough to be worth it, even though it's not a bad price. And then I really want to keep this. I want this to work, but something about the stitching here, and I'm gonna bring it closer so you can see how it is. Even if I size up, I don't know, it's probably gonna be stitched the same way. So I don't know, do I take the chance? I might send them an email and ask if they do. Never had to exchange before with Nadine West, but I think you can. Doesn't say on here, but I think you can. So I might try to do that. And then I'm on the fence about the necklace. I like it, but same idea. I don't know if I'll pull for it. So I might send the necklace back as well. I might just email about this cute top. I love the color of this. So I'm so hoping that, I don't know, maybe I can just, if I keep it, somehow fix the stitching. I don't know. If you're good with that kind of stuff, let me know if that's gonna work or if I'll just ruin the top, because I don't want to ruin it. All right, but let me know. So thank you so much for joining me. This was definitely an improvement Nadine West bag. So yeah, I was satisfied with this month's bag. Even if I don't keep anything, it was definitely worth it. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for spending some time with me today. As always, I truly appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed being outside. I hope the noise wasn't too much. I will see you all in my next video, and have a wonderful day.